Bodendorf here, and we are going to fix some of these sentences. Before we begin, don't forget, think about your COPs when you're checking your sentences. All right, let's look at number 1. What did you have for lunch? Pause your computer and think about that. Okay, we're back. Let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with this sentence. What did you have for lunch? Let's start at the beginning and look at the word what. I see some things wrong with that. We need to start with, we need a capital letter at the beginning of our sentence. But that's not how we spell the word what. Think about that sight word. It's actually W-H-A-T for what. That's a really tricky one. What did you have for lunch? This word looks good. Uh-oh. What do we need to do here? We need to make that say U-Y-O-U. There it is. What did you have for lunch? The word have needs an E at the end. What did you have for lunch? We're up to this word now with the word for. That's actually the number word. I bet you know how to spell for the right way. I'm going to cross that out. It should be F-O-R. What did you have for lunch? And if you look at the word lunch, we're missing something at the end. L-A-N-C-H. 3-letter blend. N-C-H. There's our 3-letter blend. And this needs some punctuation. I wonder if it's an asking sentence, a yelling sentence, or a telling sentence. What did you have for lunch? We're asking a question, so there goes our question mark. All right, that one looks good. Let's look at number 2. The grass is very green. Pause your computer. Okay, we're back. Number 2, the grass is very green. Let's start at the beginning. We need a capital letter for the grass. Look at the word grass. What's wrong with grass? I think you know, Sammy loves friendly zebras. It's a short vowel word, so we need to double that S at the end. The grass is. I think we know. I-S spells S. It spells is. The grass is very green. Very is a tricky word. First, we know that it starts with a lowercase v, and it actually ends with a Y. V-E-R-Y. That is a tricky one. And the last word is green. That's one of those kindergarten color words that you need to know. What's wrong with that? That says geen. We need green, so we need to put that R blend right there. Green. The grass is very green. We have our punctuation, so that sentence is all set. Number 3. Beth had a tantrum. Pause your computer. Okay, we're back. This is a tricky one. Beth had a tantrum. Let's start with our first word. It has a capital letter for Beth, but that says Beth. We want the 2 letters at the end of a word that say th, like in thumb. Do you know what that is? It's T-H. Beth. Beth had a tantrum. That word had needs a lowercase h. Beth had a tantrum. Why is that A capitalized? It shouldn't be. It should be lowercase. All right, and the last word is the tricky one. Tantrum. That's a tricky one. 2-syllable word. Tantrum. So we have tan. Now we need tr-um. What blend says tr? It's T-R. So I'm going to cross this out. I'm going to make a T here. Tantrum. And we have our exclamation point because it's a yelling sentence. Beth had a tantrum. All right, that one looks good. Now number 4, the last one. Did you win the contest? Pause your computer. Okay, we're back. Did you win the contest? Starting at the beginning, we need a capital D for did. Did you? That does not say you. How do we spell you? I bet you know. Y-O-U. I'm going to squeeze a little O in there. Did you win the contest? Looking at the word win, what's wrong with that? It has too many N's, so we're going to cross that out. Did you win the contest? Contest is a two-syllable word. Contest. But it doesn't start with a K. It starts with a C because the vowel is an O. So con and then test. What's wrong with test? T-est. We have Sammy Loves Friendly Zebras in there, but we shouldn't. We should only have one S because it's in the middle of a word. Did you win the contest? And what kind of sentence is this? Asking, yelling, or telling. It's an asking sentence, so I'm going to put my punctuation as a question mark. Did you win the contest? All right, it looks good. I'll see you guys later. I miss you. Bye.